guys, this week's theme on tour Gopher Girls is toys. So I'm showing you guys one of my toys today. I think I've already given you a clue by this. So the toy I'm going to be showing you is a remote control Lamborghini car. So it is yellow, by the way. Here's the control, and that is to go forward. This is to go backwards. If you press up and this, that means it will go up and that way. And if you press down and this, that will mean it will go down and that way. You cannot use this remote control on itself, but you can use that on itself. You have to use this using this too. So yeah. Right, so I have a box here. A box. And so I'm a magician, if you didn't know. I will make a car come out of this. There's my Lamborghini. So, here it is. Awesome. I got it for Christmas today. So yeah, I'm going to be playing with this today for you guys and showing you what I do with it. So let's just pop it right back in the box. And we're going to take it out and introduce it to us. And then we're going to have a little play with it. So yeah. Ta-da! So, his name is, obviously, he's a Lamborghini. So, he's a Lamborghini, my name is Shelby, and you're going to be riding around today for my biggest friends ever, you guys. Yeah, so, I'm just straightening this up. Here. So, we're going to be playing around with you, okay? Sorry if he comes out of the camera. He obviously wanted to go back in his box, but he's not, he's coming out. And he's back in again. And he's out. Okay, so you're going to move down, you're going to move down, right. Now you're going to move up, left. So this is him. Leo is a very friendly car. He loves to play. And he loves to learn new skills, seeing as though he's a car. Don't be shy. Come on. You have to be good, though. Come on, don't be shy. Right, you ready? Ah! That's awesome. Okay, guys. To his box. Okay, so I'm just going to show his box over there for a minute. So, just going to show you another close-up of my car. So here's a close-up of him. I like the design there as well, and you can also see through. I really don't think you guys would be able to, but yeah, it's awesome. So let's play with him. He's stuck! You out? Yeah, there we go. subscribe, like, and comment down below if you have a moving vehicle car, a controlling car like this, or a monster truck car that you can control. So please subscribe, like, comment and share. And remember, I said this in my other video, hope you guys on Monday, or you can start now, I'm heading for a subscribers goal, and it is 30 subscribers. I'm going to tell you in the video on Sunday. Make sure you check out my other video from today. Please subscribe. I'm heading for my goal, and I'll tell you the answer on Sunday for how many subscribers I've got. Not this Sunday, next Sunday. So it starts on Monday, but you guys can subscribe now, but it starts on Monday. I'll tell you next Sunday what it is I got in a week. Hopefully it's 30 subscribers. So see you guys, bye. I love you guys so much. Bye. Oh wait, stay goofy. I love you guys so much. Goodbye.